comes from Jammu and Kashmir. Heavy rain continues to batter the region, leading to flooding in low-lying areas and washing away of several roads and key bridges. In fact, in Jammu, a key bridge over the Tavi River near Bhagwati Nagar was washed away, and the exact moment when the bridge collapsed was caught on camera. Visuals on your screen right now, in fact. This collapse swept away the road, taking cars along with it. In fact, the bridge collapsed under the force of swelling water bodies after heavy downpour. Visuals on your screen showing you the exact moment where the Tavi bridge collapsed, taking several cars along with it, in fact. Remember, it is the fourth Tavi bridge at Jammu's Bhagwati Nagar. In fact, it's not just this bridge. Several other bridges, several roads have been impacted. Dozens of houses have been damaged. And this comes after all water bodies are flowing above the danger mark in Jammu and Kashmir right now, which has led to submergence in a number of low-lying areas specifically. Roads in areas, in low-lying areas have been impacted, including the Tavi bridge right now on your screen, showing you how the bridge collapsed. Visuals on your screen showing you the exact moment. This is a key bridge over Tavi River near Bhagwati Nagar. It was washed away, and this moment was caught on camera. Remember, the collapse swept away the road, taking several cars along with it as well, as you can see on your screen. The bridge here collapsed under the force of swelling water bodies after heavy downpour. So, several rivers in the region have been flowing way above their danger mark, including the Tavi River as well. And this is due to continuous rainfall in the region. Remember, it is the fourth Tavi bridge at Jammu's Bhagwati Nagar, which was impacted due to continuous rainfall. In fact, in Jammu region, over 24 houses, bridges have been damaged, while all water bodies have been flowing above the danger mark, submerging a number of low-lying areas as well as roads. Several national highways, in fact, in the region have been impacted due to this. And now we're bringing you the visual from Jammu and Kashmir where the Tavi bridge collapsed. This is the exact moment where the bridge collapsed, also showing you the aftermath of the collapse. You can see how several cars also got into this and they were washed away as the bridge collapsed. Remember, it is the fourth Tavi bridge at Jammu's Bhagwati Nagar. In fact, it's not the only bridge. Several other key routes, national highways and bridges have been impacted in Jammu region. This is after continuous rainfall continues to lash the region. In fact,
मेरे सामने अभी ये पुल नीचे आया है. ये गाड़ी फंस गई यहाँ पे. बंदे बाहर निकालिए.
Visuals on your screen showing you how the panic had essentially gripped the entire atmosphere when this bridge collapsed, taking several vehicles along with it, in fact.
दो मिनट पहले मैं इसी जगह से यहीं पे रिपोर्टिंग कर रहा था. ये तवी नदी है जो इस समय डेंजर लेवल पे चल रही है. ये तस्वीरों में अभी भी आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से पुल का जो ये हिस्सा है ये पूरी तरीके से टूट चुका है. यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ जो है वो साफ तौर पे आप अपने यहाँ पे हमारे दर्शक देख सकते हैं. जो यहाँ पर गाड़ियाँ हैं वो अभी भी इसी जगह पे स्पॉट है, और क्योंकि लगातार बारिश हो रही है पुल का एक हिस्सा टूट चुका है. उसके ठीक यहाँ पे तस्वीरों में आप देखिए कि तवी नदी किस तरीके से उग्र रूप यहाँ पर धारण कर चुकी है. 5 से 6 गाड़ियां बताई जा रही है जो यहाँ से गुजर रही थी, लेकिन अब ट्रैफिक विभाग की तरफ से पूरा मोर्चा यहाँ पे संभाल लिया गया है. जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस जो है वो यहाँ पर तैनात की गई है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं पूरी तरीके से बैरिकेडिंग जो है वो यहाँ पर लगा ली गई हैं और यहाँ पे साफ तौर पे ट्रैफिक पुलिस, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस, लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से साफ तौर पे लोगों को कहा गया है कि ये रास्ता फिलहाल बंद कर दिया गया है। ये वो इलाका है, ये वो स्पॉट है जहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ जो है वो पुल का एक हिस्सा टूटा और यहाँ पे जैसे ही गाड़ियाँ गुजर रही थी वो यहाँ पे पूरी तरीके से ढह जाती है। लेकिन गनीमत ये रही कि कोई भी जानी नुकसान नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन माली नुकसान काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुआ है।